Have you ever felt nervous when your phone rings and it's an English call? Do you freeze, worry about what to say, or secretly hope someone else will answer? You're not alone. Many English learners feel the same way. But today, I'll show you how to speak confidently on the phone, even if you're a beginner. By the end of this episode, you'll know the most important phrases and be ready for real conversations. And stay with me because I'll also share a secret technique that native speakers use to sound natural on every call. Welcome to the Unlock English podcast. I'm Alex, your English coach. If you want to speak English with confidence, you're in the right place. Let's get started. Why are phone calls so difficult in English? When you talk on the phone, you can't see the other person's face or body language. You have to listen carefully and answer quickly. Many English learners feel nervous, but phone calls are a big part of daily life, at work, at school, and with friends. If you can handle a phone call, you can handle any conversation. Today, I'll help you break that fear. We'll practice real phone call phrases and you'll learn how to use them in any situation. Plus, I'll teach you a shadowing technique that will help you speak more naturally and confidently. Are you ready? Let's begin. Let's start with the most important part, the phrases you need for every phone call. These are simple, polite, and used by native speakers every day. Listen and repeat after me. Hello, this is Alex speaking. How can I help you today? May I ask who's calling? One moment, please. Let me check. I'm sorry, could you repeat that? Could you speak a little slower, please? Let me write that down for you. Is there anything else I can help you with? Thank you so much for calling. Have a wonderful day. Goodbye. These 10 sentences are your golden keys for any phone conversation. They are polite, professional, and easy to remember. Now, let's practice together. I will say each sentence and you repeat after me. Ready? Let's go. Shadowing practice. Shadowing means you listen to a sentence and repeat it exactly, just like an actor. This helps your brain and mouth work together so you can speak without thinking too much. Let's try shadowing with our 10 sentences. I will say each one slowly. You repeat after me, matching my speed and tone. If you need to, pause the podcast and practice again. The more you repeat, the more natural you will sound. Remember, practice is the key to confidence. Now, let's use our phrases in a real conversation. Imagine you are calling to book a dentist appointment. I will play both parts and you repeat after me. First, I am the receptionist. Good morning, Smile Dental Clinic. This is Alex speaking. How can I help you today? Now, you are the caller. Hello, I'd like to make a dental appointment, please. It's for a teeth cleaning. Receptionist. Of course. May I ask who's calling? Caller. This is receptionist. Thank you. One moment, please. Let me check our schedule. We have Tuesday at 3 p.m. or Friday at 10 a.m. available. Caller. Friday at 10 a.m. works perfectly. Receptionist. Excellent. Let me write that down for you. Friday, March 22nd at 10 a.m. for teeth cleaning. Can I get your phone number? Caller. Sure, it's 555-0198. Receptionist. I'm sorry, could you repeat that? The line is a bit unclear. Caller. Of course. 555-0198. Receptionist. Perfect. Got it. Is there anything else I can help you with? Caller. No, that's everything. Thank you so much for your help. Receptionist. You're welcome. Have a wonderful day. Goodbye. Great job! You just completed a real phone call in English. Now, let's try another one. This time, you are booking a doctor's appointment. We will switch roles so you get to practice both sides. I will be the receptionist first. Good morning, Downtown Medical Center. This is Alex speaking. How can I help you today? You. Hello, I'd like to make an appointment with Dr. Kim, please. Receptionist. Of course. May I ask who's calling? You. This is Receptionist. Thank you. One moment, please. Let me check Dr. Kim's schedule. What type of appointment do you need? You. I need a general checkup. Receptionist. Perfect. We have Monday at 2 p.m. or Wednesday at 11 a.m. Which works better? You. Monday at 2 p.m. sounds great. Receptionist. Excellent. Let me write that down for you. Is there anything else I can help you with? You. No, that's everything. Thank you so much for your help. Receptionist. You're welcome. Have a wonderful day. Goodbye. Now, let's switch. You are the receptionist and I am the caller. Ready? Let's go. Good morning, Downtown Medical Center. This is... How can I help you today? Caller. Hello, I'd like to make an appointment with Dr. Kim, please. Receptionist. Of course. May I ask who's calling? Caller. This is Alex. Receptionist. Thank you. One moment, please. Let me check Dr. Kim's schedule. What type of appointment do you need? Caller. I need a general checkup. Receptionist. Perfect. We have Monday at 2 p.m. or Wednesday at 11 a.m. Which works better? Caller. Monday at 2 p.m. sounds great. Receptionist. Excellent. Let me write that down for you. Is there anything else I can help you with? Caller. No, that's everything. Thank you so much for your help. Receptionist. You're welcome. Have a wonderful day. Goodbye. Amazing! You just practiced both sides of a real phone call. Let's review what you learned today. You practiced the 10 most important phone call phrases. You used them in real conversations, booking appointments, and asking questions. You learned how to shadow and repeat for natural English. And You practiced both sides of a phone call so you are ready for any situation. Remember, confidence comes from practice. Do not worry about making mistakes. Every call is a chance to improve. If you feel nervous, take a deep breath and use your phrases. If you don't understand, ask the other person to repeat or speak slowly. The more you practice, the easier it gets. You are building real English skills, and you are doing great. Now, it is your turn. Practice these phone call phrases 5 times today, morning, afternoon, and evening. Try shadowing with this episode until you can say every sentence smoothly. Record yourself and listen back to hear your progress. Share your experience in the comments below. If you enjoyed this episode, please subscribe to the Unlock English podcast, share it with your friends, and leave a comment. Your support helps us make more great lessons for you. Keep practicing, and you will speak English confidently on the phone. Thank you for listening, and I'll see you in the next episode.